So I got this foam stuff from work, and it looks it's like insulation foam, but it looks like dog poop. So I took it and I'm putting it on the bed, and I'm gonna call my girlfriend in and say like, oh look, the dog pooped on the floor and stuff, and see what she does. So enjoy. Oh my gosh, freaking Libby! Oh, what the hell?
What?
Look at that. Are you kidding me?
You let her on the bed?
I let her out and she freaking pooped on the floor. Or on the bed.
That's not poop, that looks like a muffin. Is that poop?
Yeah. That should do it. You're such a bad dog, Libby.
She probably had to go really bad.
Yeah.
Like a muffin or something. You're recording it?
Hmm?
Is it really poop? Are you lying to me? It's not poop, is it? I knew it wasn't. What was it? You little! Did you taste it?
Yeah.
You're a little jerk. I'm gonna beat your ass. What was it from?
Huh?
What was it from?
This is from some stuff at work.